Dodgy archetype, you were smoking.
We were going to be doing some cool stuff after the meeting, and all I brought was slippers, like a genius. Super comfortable, not great for walking around. We are in Tallest right now, headed to the tallest waterfall in Georgia, I'm told. And Kyle doesn't want to be on film because he's got a creepy mustache. It's not very much water.
This guy always attracts a crowd wherever he goes. Look at him. Drone takeoff. Wait, where is it? Oh, there it is.
The highline, killing time, asking if you could be mine, asking if I'd be yours, emotive as a pantomime. Fast forward months in time, know what I saw.
Wait, how do you pronounce it again?
Currahee.
We're just walking to the edge of Currahee Mountain. Currahee Mountain.
All that over there is South Carolina, and all that is Georgia.
South Carolina. Georgia. South Carolina. Georgia.
Something from the great beyond, know what I saw in your eyes. It was smoke and mirrors.
Hey, let's go to the concrete. It's gonna be.
Kevin's like a little kid.